Hello guys, today I thought I should talk about this little tip about WhatsApp wherein you can lock your WhatsApp chats with Touch ID or Face ID. What you need to do is simply open WhatsApp, and this is how it will look when you enable your Touch ID or Face ID. So what you need to do is you need to go into settings, select account, and then hit privacy. Now scroll all the way down and hit screen lock. Now here you need to select Touch ID or Face ID depending on your iPhone model. You also have this settings wherein you can define where you want your Touch ID or Face ID to be enabled. Like it can be enabled immediately or after 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour. It's all up to you. So decide based on your preference, and I'm gonna keep it immediately. So that's all. And now when you go back to home screen and launch WhatsApp, it's gonna ask you to enable Touch ID all the time. And well, if your Touch ID gets broken, you can also input the password. So I hope you guys found this video useful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.